This video is about utility software. That is, you can say the softwares like antivirus and compression tools. So, what is a utility software? Utility software is system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, and maintain a computer. So, whatever software we install to configure the computer or optimize the system or maintain a computer are comes under utility software. These programs perform a specific task usually related to managing system resources efficiently. Two key types of utility softwares are antivirus software and compression tools. Both antivirus software and compression tools are essential utility software that enhance the functionality, security, and efficiency of computing system. Okay, both of them increases the security. Obviously, antivirus is for security to prevent the computer from the threat of different viruses. Then efficiency of computing system is also comes under it, because when your computer is hit by a virus, it becomes slow and it is very difficult to work on it. So to prevent it from the virus, we use antivirus softwares. While antivirus programs protect against threats, compression tools optimize storage and transmission. So when you compress a file or a set of files, you will see the size of the files reduces, and so in a short storage space you can store large number of files, making them integral for personal and professional use in a digital era. So these two softwares are very important in computing system, and this comes under utility software. So what are the utility software? Antivirus softwares and compression tool softwares. Okay, thank you.